If x is an integer and 90 is greater than 3x, then x cannot be A, 27, B, 30, C, 29, or letter D, 28. So 90 is greater than 3x. Kung letter A ang gagamitin natin is 3, isubstitute mo lang ang 27. Ayan. So, ito, 3 times 27, 90 is greater than 81. Okay? Check. Letter B, 90 greater than 3 times 30. Alam natin na ang 90 is, ito, 90 is equal to 90. Kaya ito ay x to. Pero tingnan natin ang sa iba pang choices. So, 90 times 3 times 29 minus 3, this is 87. 90 is greater than 87. So check din ito. And then lastly, we have here 90 is greater than, 29 pala to. 90 is 3 times 28. So this is equal to 90 is greater than 84. Check din ito. So sa mga tuwid, ito lang yung mali, yung 30. So ang tamang sagot dito ay letter B.